Rylan, what are you doing, sir? Rylan James. You trying to get out? You trying to escape? Huh? Rylan, are you trying to escape? Trying to dig a hole out of here. Because mommy locked the door. Huh? Yeah. Careful, you're gonna fall. Mama's got a camera in her hand. I can't catch you. Oh my goodness. Rylan. You only 9 months old. You're not supposed to be running away yet. Trying to figure out a way to get out of here. Huh. What did I do? Rylan. Rylan. Door. Rylan. You're silly. Really? Alright, say bye-bye. Rylan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Good boy. That's the first time you've done that when I asked you to. Bye-bye. Say, Mama, I'm leaving. Too cute.